What is up, guys? Welcome back to Solo MC Rider. I know it has been a while since I made a vlog. Life is too busy, a lot of things going on, so I will give you guys an update shortly when I go for a ride. I have quite a few questions on the bar and mirror, so let's answer some of these questions for you guys. And also, I'm almost at 1600 miles, I believe, on this bike. And let me just give you guys a little bit of update how are things going. So without any further ado, let's go for a ride. Alright, as always, beautiful startup screen. Alright, it's a beautiful day, nice and hot, which I like that. Alright, this road is very nice. Just have to be careful from the deers and stuff. Man, this bike leans on the corner like crazy. I remember when I started riding, when I saw a corner I used to like freak out, but now this bike makes you want to just lean the bike. You are looking for those corners. You want to take those corners nice and smooth, and you know, with the dynamic suspension on this bike, it does really good job. All right, let's not speed on the 25-mile speed limit zone. So let's give you guys an update on those bar and mirrors. So finally I got my bar and mirrors mounted properly. So when I got the bike, they gave me those mirrors, and the mounting spacer right here did not come with the mirrors, so I had to improvise and bought something from Amazon, like a generic bar and mount, and install them. Oh boy, I tell you, the vibration on the vibration on the bar, it was unbearable. I immediately went out for a ride and then came home. I'm like, something is not right. And then because they did not have those weights on them and they were vibrating like crazy, my hand wasn't getting numb, so I came home immediately, took them off, and then I did some DIY project, some bar ends. Let's forget about all that. So then I went to the dealership and they are like, oh, you have a recall on your bar and mirrors. I'm like, okay, great. So they ordered the new mirrors, and alongside the handlebar mounting, and they came. So after about 3 months or so, just got them mounted last week properly. So after I got them mounted, I am very impressed. So I have no idea why they had recall on those mirrors. They exactly look the same. They're all identical. I don't see any different, unless people were having complaint about the vibration on the handlebar after installing properly. Like, you still have vibration between 4 to 7,000 RPM, something like that. So maybe they have more weights on them, or who knows what. I actually have the old mirrors too. Yeah, so now that I have them mounted, and I tell you, they are much better than what I had before. I'm going to show you guys the mirrors now. So I have cars behind me, and I'm going to try to look into the mirrors. So I'm at 4,000 RPM. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you can see the vibration. Like, you can see what's behind, but it's just blurry, it's just, you know, shaky. So it's okay, I don't mind. Before when I had them without those weights, the bar end mounting thing from BMW, I could have seen like spinning circles behind me all the time. So they look good. You have pretty good view on the back, like very nice viewing angle. It doesn't, on the bar end you don't really see yourself much, you just see what's behind you. So overall, these are great mirrors. So if you guys are in the market, make sure go with the BMW OEM mirrors and the mounting bracket. I know they're expensive, but they look good, and it does pretty good job. And if you're worried about vibration, this bike, this comes with it. That's what you get. That's what we paid for. And even though the mirror comes with the bike, the traditional ones, same thing, vibration is there. And if you can run without the mirrors, it doesn't require in your area or country, and if you are okay with it, run without the mirrors. The bike looks very, very good without them. I had them for like a couple days. Oh man, I enjoyed. I always had to do shoulder check, but I enjoyed. Alright, so that's the update on the mirrors, and let me give you guys a quick update on why it has been so long and I'm not uploading as much video that I wanted to, because I'm moving out of Connecticut and going somewhere. It's far, and I'm sure you guys are all familiar with Texas, so I'll be moving to Texas in next week. So this is probably my last vlog in Connecticut with my S1000R, and next vlog will be in Texas, and I will give you guys update where I moved to and what's my future plan and things like that. So you will see it on next video if you're interested. And I'm planning to have at least one video out a week when I move there and settle in properly. So that's the goal. And in terms of the long-term or short-term review of this bike, so far I'm like 100% satisfied with the bike. Of course, it's my bike, so I will be biased, but to be honest with you, if you guys know Chase on two wheels, I'm sure you guys know who is Chase on two wheels. And if you guys don't know him, I don't know what to tell you guys, because that guy has over 1 million subscribers on YouTube, and I have been following him since he started, and that guy is awesome. I enjoy his vlog videos, whatever he's doing with his channel, like all these build series. He's a great guy with good knowledge, and he test rode one of these bike, exact same bike that I'm riding, not this bike, but exact same spec, M Sport. And oh man, I tell you, he was giggling through the whole entire video. And he is not a BMW fan, or up until this review he wasn't a big fan of BMWs, but now he is a big fan of BMWs. It's just watch the video. I'm gonna have the link on the description, guys, so you can go watch the video and see his opinions and what he think of this bike. And it can't get any better than that. This bike is just phenomenal. It's I would say it's a hyper naked. It's like one of the best hyper naked out there right now. Yeah, so I am not gonna give you a review, but my review is I love the bike. So I have 1600 miles on the bike so far, and I enjoy every time I come out for a ride. I enjoy, and it puts a smile in my face. Watch his video to get the full first ride impression, and long-term review I will do probably after I move to Texas and when I put a couple more thousand miles on the bike. But so far I am very impressed, and I'm very, very happy. So I'm very excited about the move, guys. So this bike make me want to go track tracking the bike. So I am very excited that I'm moving to Texas, where I'm going to be very close to a racetrack. So this is when I'm going to start tracking this bike. I will start off with that, and then I'll probably get a 600 Super Sports, something like that. Let's see. One of my favorite 600 Super Sports is CBR 600RR. I will probably buy one used, or maybe a Kawasaki 636. Alright, so let's get on the highway and let's see. Hopefully there is no traffic today. So you guys can see, like, on the commuting speed, if you are going 85, 90 miles an hour or 75 depending on where you live, see how the mirror does its job. Let's say if you are going on the highest gear, 6,000 RPM, and going 70 miles an hour, the mirrors are pretty good actually. I'm very surprised. So it's not as bad as I thought it would be, but you definitely want those mounting weights, which comes with from BMW. So the aftermarket ones, or if you get a bar end from a Amazon, not recommended. Because I have had on all my other bikes and they were totally fine, but this bike is very picky, so it does not like aftermarket parts. Yeah, so see, 6th gear, 73 miles an hour. I mean, I can totally see behind me what's behind me. If it's a car or a minivan, not a problem. But then it's a windy day, I have a truck in front of me. M240i. It's a powerful little car. Alright, let's put down the gear. Guys, so this will be it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video in Texas. It will be my new home. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.